Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is normal distribution. In this normal distribution we are going to learn the mode of normal distribution. So we shall start with obtaining the mode of normal distribution. Mode of normal distribution is the value of x for which the derivative of PDF is equal to 0 and the second derivative is less than 0. Means mode is the value of x which is the solution of first derivative of PDF is 0 and second derivative is negative. Now we shall start with the proof of obtaining the value of mode. Since x is normal mu sigma square, where mu and sigma square are parameters of normal distribution, its PDF is given by fx equal to 1 upon root 2 pi sigma e raised to minus 1 upon 2 sigma square x minus mu whole square. Here x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. In the previous lecture we have already learned the PDF of normal distribution, its mean and variance. If student want to learn what is normal distribution and what is the value of mean and variance, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen and link of that lectures is mentioned in the description below. Now to obtain mode, I will take logarithm on both sides of the probability density function. Therefore, log of fx is equal to log 1 upon root 2 pi sigma log of plus log of e raised to minus 1 by 2 sigma square x minus mu bracket square. Since 1 upon root 2 pi sigma is constant, its logarithm is also a constant. I shall write C for log 1 upon root 2 pi sigma plus, here we are taking the natural logarithm on both sides. So log and exponent part e get cancelled and the remaining part is minus 1 by 2 sigma square x minus mu whole square. Here C equal to, where C equal to log of 1 divided by root 2 pi sigma. Therefore, log of fx is equal to minus c minus 1 upon root c minus 1 upon 2 sigma square into x minus mu whole square. We will differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. We get 1 upon fx into f dash x is equal to 0 minus 1 by 2 sigma square into 2 into x minus mu raised to 1. So it is 2 get cancelled, minus x minus mu divided by sigma square. Therefore, f dash x is equal to minus f of x into x minus mu divided by sigma square. We will equate this f dash x to 0. This will imply minus f of x minus mu divided by sigma square is equal to 0. Since This f of x is a PDF of random variable x which lies between 0 and 1. So the term x minus mu upon sigma square must be 0. Hence x minus mu upon sigma square is equal to 0. Therefore x minus mu square is equal to sigma square into 0, which is equal to 0. Hence x minus mu equal to 0. Therefore x equal to mu. This is the value of x by equating the first derivative of PDF to the value 0. Now we will differentiate further. Let me call this equation as 2. We will differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Again we get f double dash x is equal to minus 1 by sigma square into f of x into 1 minus 0 plus f dash x into x minus mu, which is equal to minus f of x divided by sigma square minus f dash x upon sigma square into x minus mu. Now from equation 2 I will substitute the value of f dash x. So it is minus fx divided by sigma square plus f of x into x minus mu square divided by sigma raised to 4. We will take f of x outside, then it is minus 1 by sigma square plus x minus mu whole square divided by sigma raised to 4. This is the value of second derivative of PDF. Now we will substitute the value of x equal to mu in the equation number 3. Let me call it as 3 for our further references. Hence f double dash x at x equal to mu is equal to f of mu into bracket minus 1 upon sigma square plus mu minus mu whole square divided by sigma raised to 4, which is equal to f of mu minus 1 by sigma square plus 0. So it is minus f of mu divided by sigma square. Since f is a PDF and it is between 0 and 1 and sigma square variance is positive, so due to this minus sign the whole effect of the equation is negative. Hence f double dash x is less than 0 at x equal to mu, means the PDF of normal distribution is maximum at x equal to mu. Therefore the value of mode is equal to mu in case of normal distribution. In this way, in this lecture we learn what is mode and how we calculate the value of mode for the normal distribution with parameters mu and sigma square. In the previous lecture we have already learned mean and variance of normal distribution. Similarly, many more topics from the continuous distributions are discussed in our Learn Statistics channel. If a student want to learn all the distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description below the video. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel in order to get notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.